I'm really sorry it took so
Sean,
long.
don't worry
that
about
exit on 65 wasn't clearly marked.
Hold up, right here.
What, here?
Yes. Thanks for the ride, Sherman. Appreciate it.
It's Stan, Mike.
Sorry.
But that's all right. You can call me Sherman if you want to, because I followed your whole career, and I just think you're the greatest athlete that's ever lived.
How'd I get out of here? Oh. The door doesn't work.
I'm sorry. I forgot to say, it's a classic.
Yeah.
It's a classic, but it's got a few peccadillos. Hold on just a second.
You, huh? Smoking, too, man. You need to get that check. Thanks for the ride.
Oh, this is nice. This is a nice house. Oh, that is a beauty. What is that, colonial?
No, it's a nice house.
If you need anything done around the house, I'd be more than happy to help you out.
No, I'm fine. Thanks.
Anything you need.
No, you gave me a ride. I appreciate it. Thanks.
Sure.
Tomorrow, I'm going to drive, okay? So I don't need the ride. But thanks, though.
Too conspicuous?
Yeah.
That's what I do, you know. All right.
Thanks, though.
All right. Tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Oh, get off of me.
George!
Get off me.
Get off him, Charles. Come on.
Bad dog.
Come on, Charles. Get off him.
Get off me,
Stop.
Charles.
Get off him before I cook you. Come on.
Charles.
Come on. Come on, baby. Come on.
Hey, Jeff. You okay? How was your game?
I don't want to talk about it.
Hey.
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 Ooh, you're all covered with drool, baby.
That's your dog. What's the matter with Jeff?
Well, he went 2 for 5 and lost 32 points in his batting average.
Is that all?
Yeah, so that puts him at like a 685 or something.
Bad. What?
Smells good in here. What you cooking?
Chicken.
Chicken and what?
Chicken and collard greens.
Good. I'm gonna need a good meal tonight.
Is everything okay?
Well, I stunk up the place. I hope this baseball thing was a good idea.
It was another career day for Michael Jordan at Barron's Field this afternoon. Let's face it, this baseball
What are you
experiment
guys watching?
is just not working. Today he went 0 for 4 with 3 strikeouts.
Is this the only thing on TV?
That brings his batting average down to an anemic 214, which also happens to be his playing weight. Baseball bat. Get this guy a tennis racket.
Did everyone get mad at you?
No. Worse. Everyone was real nice about it.
Michael, I know golf is your sport, but not here.
I think you should open up your stance a little. It might make you more aggressive at the plate.
You think so? I try to remember
Watching this hurts me more than it hurts you.
You guys
Michael,
doing watching
what
this stuff.
is that?
It's bad for you. There you go. Roadrunner. Beep beep. Wait.
Meep, meep.
Stop this cartoon. We've got an emergency cartoon character union meeting to go to. Hey, wait for him. Hold your horses.